Hi, this is Griffin with Huisen Furniture. Today we're going to be building the industrial 3-piece set. This is their rustic brown finish and it can be found on walmart.com or in stores. Before you start, you want to make sure that none of your panels have any damage and they have all of your hardware. If you have any issues, you can call the number on the front of the manual and we'll get you taken care of. If everything is in order, then we can begin assembly. For step 1, you need your B panel and 2 G parts and 12 of your screw number 3s. They're the little screws. So to start, position your B panel so that there are pairs of pre-drilled holes on the top. Here, 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 and here. Then you will want to position your G pieces onto the B panel so that they lie flush. Align the holes of the G piece to the pre-drilled holes on the panel and secure with the screws. We're then going to repeat this on this other G piece. For step 2, you're going to keep this assembly we worked on, your 2 E panels, your 2 H pieces, and 8 of your bolt 1s. So to start, we can grab this assembly. You will want to lift it so that this side is facing away and all these screws are facing towards you. We can then grab one of our E panels and you want this smaller rectangle on this side of the assembly, the larger rectangle on this side. Then secure with 2 of your screw bolts. Next, we're going to hand tighten on the other side. Next, we're going to grab our H panel, our H piece, and we want to attach it with 2 screw bolts, 1 on each end. And you'll notice that there are pre-drilled holes on some of the sides of this piece. You'll want to position these holes facing upwards, or facing vertically, horizontally. So here, not vertically, you want them horizontally. So you should see holes on the sides, not on the tops. Once you have all of those hand tightened, then go ahead and secure them with your Allen key. On these, be sure to make sure that the holes stay horizontal. In step 3, we're going to grab our A panel. Position the A panel so that the pre-drilled holes are facing up. Then we can flip our assembly on top of the A panel. And you will want to align the holes on the bars to the pre-drilled holes on the A panel. Now, using 8 screw 2s, we are going to attach this assembly to the A panel. After step 3, you are now done with this piece of the set. In step 4, we're going to begin building our side tables. Grab all of your I pieces and all of your F pieces. You can start by grabbing an F piece, laying it down, and attaching an F panel. Again, keeping those holes on the side of the bar horizontally on the sides, not on top and bottom. You're going to need 8 of your screw bolt 1s. Hand tighten, and then once we have all of our screws, we can secure with the Allen key. We're going to grab another F panel and position them the same. Then we're going to grab another eyepiece and put it on the bottom down here. Again, with those pre-drilled holes on the sides. Once you have those hand tightened, you can then secure with your Allen key. Repeat this on the other side table. So for step 5, we're going to grab the 2 D panels and 8 more screw 2s. We're going to want to locate the pre-drilled holes on the D panel, slide it into the assembly so that those pre-drilled holes are flush up against these metal bars. We're then going to use 4 of our screw 2s to secure it to the assembly. We will now want to repeat this for this other side table. In step 6, you're going to grab your 2 C panels and position them with their pre-drilled holes facing up. We can then grab one of our side tables and simply place it upside down and line up those holes on the bars with the pre-drilled holes on the C panel. You're then going to use 8 of your screw 2s to secure the assembly to the panel. You're then going to repeat this with the other side table. Your side tables are now complete.